Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In this video, in C programming subject, we are going to learn the topic executing the C program. So let's start the topic today. Executing the process of the C program. So let me explain the execution process through a diagram here. See, source file. Here our source file name is sample.c. This sample.c, after writing the sample.c program, then the program should be passed to the compiler. Compiler is used to compile the program. To compile the program, we have to press Alt key. We have to press Alt key along with F9. Means we have to press Alt plus F9. Two keys we have to press in the combination. In the combination Alt plus F9 keys, we have to press at a time these two keys. So Alt plus F9 keys combination is used to compile the program. Then the source file is passed to the compiler. Compiler is used to compile the program. So after compilation, if there are any errors, the compiler returns a list of errors. The compiler returns a list of errors. So then if in case there are any errors, if there is any error, then we have to solve the error and again we have to compile it. So if there are no errors, then compiler converts this source code into object code. Now our sample.c becomes sample.obj. Obj stands for obj.obj is the extension of object file. So this object file is going to be passed to the linker. Linker is used to link the header files into our program. So linker's job is to link the header files into our program, and then next our source files, our object file, this sample.obj file should be converted into executable file. Now our sample.obj becomes sample.exe. Now our file is ready to be executed. Sample.exe. .exe is the extension name for executable files. That means what? Our program is ready to be executed. Now to execute the program, we have to press Ctrl plus F9 keys on the keyboard. Ctrl key along with F9 key we have to press. When you press Ctrl plus F9 key, then our sample.exe file should be passed to the CPU. In CPU, the process should be completed. Whatever the instructions we have written in our program, all those instructions should be executed. After execution, we have to run the program. After execution, we have to run the program. To run the program, we have to press Alt plus F5 buttons. To run our C program, we have to press Alt key along with F5 key combination. When we press Alt plus F5 keys combination, then our program will be run and then the output will be displayed on the screen. So this is the process of execution of C program. So next, we just seen diagrammatically. Next, we have to see the main points. Points wise we have to see the execution process. Next, let's see now. Next, the executing the C program, we will see points wise. First of all, we have to create the source code or source file. What is a source code or what is a source file? Here, the file which contains C language program instructions is called source code or source file. Whatever the file we are writing the C program file is treated as a source code or source file here. Every C program source file must be saved with .c extension. For example, if you want to provide the name sample for your C program file, you have to give the name as sample.c. Next step is compiling the source code. After typing your program, after saving your program, then you have to compile your program. So here our program is the source code. So next step is compiling the source code. To compiling our source code, to compile our program, we have to press Alt plus F9 key. So Alt plus F9 key is used to compile the program. Then our program is submitted to the compiler. Compiler checks for the errors in our program. If there are any errors, it returns the list of errors. Otherwise, if there are no errors, it generates object code in a file with a name sample.obj, and this sample.obj will be submitted into the linker. See here, our sample.c program file is converted into sample.obj and it is passed to the linker. Next, linking process should be there. Linker is used to combine the source code from specified header files into object file. So whatever the header files we are including in our program, those header files should be included into our source.obj file. For our object file, the header files should be linked here, means included here, and generates executable file as sample.exe. Our sample.obj becomes sample.exe. So sample.exe is the executable file. So after this, at this point, the compilation process is completed. The next thing is we have to execute our program. Next, now we need to run the executable file. Our sample.exe is the executable file. Now we have to run this file. To run a program, we have to press Ctrl plus F9. So we have to press Ctrl along with F9 combination, F9 keys combination. When we press Ctrl plus F9, the executable file is submitted to the CPU. Then CPU performs the tasks according to the instructions written in our program and plays the result onto the screen. So in CPU, all the instructions should be performed and all the tasks should be performed. Then after completion of performing all the tasks, our program generates a result as the output, and this output should be displayed on the screen. Then we have to press Alt plus F5 keys. Alt plus F5 keys combination is used to run our program, and then the result will be displayed on the screen. Then we have to check the result of our C program on the screen. So this is the topic today. I hope you learned the execution process of the C program. Please subscribe my channel and encourage for more videos. Thank you.